Yeah, some reaction coming in from the BJP as the BJP distances itself from Rane's slap comment. Fadnavis says Rane shouldn't show restraint. He should have shown restraint while speaking about Chief Minister Devendra. In fact, Fadnavis there said, though we do not support Rane's statement, we are firmly with him. Fadnavis slams arrest warrant against Narayan Rane, says that there should be rule of law as this is not Taliban rule. Devendra Fadnavis there slamming the arrest order on Rane, but also said that he should have shown restraint while speaking about the Chief Minister.
बारे में जो टिप्पणी की हम उसका समर्थन नहीं करते, किंतु इस वक्तव्य के बाद जिस प्रकार से पुलिस का राज चलाने का प्रयास सरकार की ओर से किया जा रहा है, मैं स्पष्ट रूप से कहता हूं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी वक्तव्य का समर्थन नहीं करेगी, पर व्यक्ति का समर्थन पूरे तरीके से करेगी। भारतीय जनता पार्टी नारायण राव जी राणे इनके पीछे पूरी ताकत से खड़ी रहेगी।
Let me quickly cut across to Kamlesh Tatar joining us live for more on that. Kamlesh, you have Devendra Fadnavis saying that he backs Narayan Rane. Of course, he should have ensured some restraint while making that statement, but he will fully back him and he slams the arrest warrant against Rane. What more has he said?
Well, it seems that this struggle is not going to end here. The way Devendra Fadnavis had said that the BJP is not going to tolerate any attack on BJP offices. Though he says that the statement made by Narayan Rane could have been in a better way. He would have expressed his anger in a better way and shown some restraint while talking about the chief of a state. But however, we do not support his statement, but we stand behind him as an individual, as a party leader. Now, apart from that, he has also said that the state government is misusing police machinery. This is a police GV Sarkar. That's the word Devendra Fadnavis used. He says that they are not going to just sit back and watch. They will take to the streets in case BJP officers in Maharashtra attack. And making a counter allegation on the state government, he says that it's a state-sponsored riots that are taking place. People are being threatened and police machinery is being misused. What we are also learning that the BJP plans to continue with the yatra even in case what Devendra Fadnavis calls that if he is arrested illegally, we will still continue with the Jan Ashirwad Yatra.
Right, Kamlesh Tatar, thank you very much for joining us with those details.